Fantastic Plastic, Easy Mix Converter Python Program Example. This Python program example truly does work in the real world. If you or anyone you know is into mixing glow-in-the-dark powder and clear, liquid acrylic plastic mix, this Python program is a stern must. Created by Joseph C. Richardson, github.com. Note, you must run the program from the operating system output screen by double-clicking the Python program file itself. Save the Python file as Fantastic Plastic, Easy Mix Converter. This is the Python and operating system screen output, showing you all the colored text and text layout, as well as a full functional Python program that you can actually use in the real world. Note, only use this Python program for mixing pigment powder with liquid acrylic plastic, recommended.